Shenzhen EcoRider Robotic Technology Company Limited was founded in July 2013 and is located in 5F, Building F, Xinji Industrial Park, Huancheng East Road 2, Yangmei, Bantian, Longgang, Shenzhen, China, and a plant area of more than 1,465 square meters. Shenzhen EcoRider Robotic Technology Company Limited has abundant financial resources. As a professional electric scooter supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got CE, RoHS, FCC, and EEC, COC quality certificates. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. Our company's products are sold worldwide. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. We have a professional R&D team. We can accept OEM and ODM. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries soon.